In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two columns of text in Excel. If you want to join text from two different columns into one cell, Excel makes this very easy with a simple formula. This is useful when you need to combine things like first and last names, city and state, or any two text values that should appear together in a cleaner format. To get started, click into the cell where you want the combined result to appear. Then type a formula like this: equals C8, ampersand, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, ampersand, B8. In other words, you're connecting the value in cell C8 with the value in cell B8 and placing a space between them. The ampersand symbol is what Excel uses to join or concatenate pieces of text together. In this example, the formula combines the contents of those two cells into one result. The quotation marks with a space inside tell Excel to insert a space between the two values so the text doesn't run together. You can also customize that separator depending on how you want the final text to look. Instead of using a space inside the quotation marks, you can place a dash, a comma, or another character there. For example, if you want the values separated by a dash, you would put a dash between the quotation marks. If you want a comma, use a comma instead. This gives you control over the formatting without changing the original data in either column. As you type the formula, make sure the cell references match the row you're working with. If your text is in different cells, simply replace C8 and B8 with the correct references for your sheet. This is especially helpful when working with long lists, because once the formula is correct for one row, you can usually reuse the same pattern for other rows. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately display the combined text in that cell using the separator you chose. If something doesn't look right, check that your quotation marks are included correctly and that the cell references point to the right places. That's all it takes to combine two columns of text in Excel. It's a quick and practical technique that can save time and make your spreadsheet data much easier to read. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.